There is a particular kind of satisfaction that comes from building something beautiful for your outdoor space with your own two hands. The kind that settles in when you are sitting on your porch looking at a space that feels completely yours, not because you spent a fortune, but because you took simple, affordable materials and turned them into something no one else has. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we believe the best outdoor spaces are built with creativity, not just a credit card. Today I have gathered 15 DIY decor projects that transform ordinary Dollar Tree items into porch and patio pieces that look far more expensive than they actually are. If you have been staring at your outdoor space feeling like it needs something, you are in the right place. And before we begin, tell me in the comments which part of your outdoor space you are most excited to refresh this season. Your porch, your patio, or maybe a small balcony you are turning into something special. Now the very first idea on this list is one I have seen stop people mid-scroll, more than almost any other this year, and it starts with two items you would never think to combine. Idea number 1. Candle holder solar patio lights. Dollar Tree sells clear glass candle holders in their home decor section, the kind meant to hold a pillar candle on a dining table. They also sell those small solar stake lights with the panel on top that charge during the day and glow at night. The magic happens when you bring these two items together. Remove the plastic stake from the solar light so you are left with just the round light unit with the solar panel on top. Apply a ring of strong adhesive around the rim of the candle holder, the kind that works on glass and plastic, and press the solar light firmly onto the opening. Once the glue cures, you have an elevated glowing lantern that sits beautifully along a garden path, on porch steps, or clustered together on an outdoor dining table. The glass candle holder catches and reflects the light, creating a warm ambient glow that looks nothing like the harsh direct beam of a plain solar stake stuck in the ground. What makes this project so satisfying is the proportions. The weight of the glass base keeps the light stable in wind, and the height lifts the light source to a level that actually illuminates the space around it rather than just lighting up the ground at your feet. If you want to take it a step further, you can fill the candle holder with decorative stones, colored glass gems, or even a layer of sand before attaching the solar light, which adds texture and diffuses the light in different ways depending on what you choose. Compared to similar solar lanterns sold at garden centers for $15 to $25 each, these cost around $2.50 per unit to make and look genuinely custom. Idea number 2. Citronella torch tray centerpiece. This one solves a practical problem while looking beautiful on an outdoor table, which is the kind of 2-for-1 that experienced gardeners and porch sitters appreciate deeply. Dollar Tree sells small glass tabletop citronella torches in their seasonal garden collection, about the size of a votive holder with a wick and a flame guard. The project is straightforward, but the result looks like something from a boutique home store. Arrange 3 citronella torches on the wooden tray, spacing them evenly so the flames will not be too close together. Fill the gaps between the torches with glass gems, which Dollar Tree also sells in the craft section, choosing a color that complements your outdoor furniture. The glass gems serve 2 purposes. They hold the torches securely in position so nothing slides around when you carry the tray outside, and they catch and reflect the flickering flame light in the evening, multiplying the glow across your table. This centerpiece keeps mosquitoes at bay during summer dinners and evening gatherings, without the chemical smell of spray-on repellents. When the torches burn out, replacement fuel is inexpensive, and the tray and gems can be rinsed clean and stored for next season. A similar citronella centerpiece at a home decor store would easily run $30 or more. This version costs about $6 total, and you control exactly how it looks. Idea number 3. Tomato cage tiered flower stand. I want you to look at a basic tomato cage differently after this. Most people see a tomato cage and think vegetable garden support, end of story. But when you flip one upside down, the narrow top becomes a stable base and the wide ringed opening at the top becomes the perfect frame for hanging multiple levels of flowers. Dollar Tree sells wire hanging baskets with cocoa liners in their garden section during the growing season. Using zip ties or strong floral wire, attach 3 hanging baskets to different levels of the inverted tomato cage. The widest basket secures near the top ring, the medium basket goes around the middle rung, and the smallest basket sits lowest. Fill each basket with potting mix and plant trailing flowers like petunias, lobelia or creeping jenny that will spill over the edges and soften the wire structure. What you end up with is a 3-tiered flowering tower that stands about 4 feet tall and fits perfectly in a corner of a porch or at the edge of a patio. The visual impact is dramatic because the flowers cascade down from each level, hiding the cage structure underneath and creating the look of a sculptural fountain made entirely of blooms. A comparable tiered flower stand from a garden center would cost $40 to $60 easily. This version costs around $7 in Dollar Tree materials, plus whatever bedding plants you choose. Idea number 4, Pool Noodle Spiral Topiary. This one went viral for a very good reason. It replicates the look of a high-end boxwood spiral topiary that sells for hundreds of dollars at home decor stores, and it does it using one pool noodle, a broom handle, and some faux greenery. Dollar Tree sells pool noodles in the summer, and they also sell plastic broom handles in the cleaning section. Insert the broom handle through the center of the pool noodle, so the noodle becomes a long foam sleeve over the handle. Secure the bottom of the broom handle in a planter pot filled with sand or quickset concrete, so it stands upright and stable. Now comes the part that creates the spiral shape. Wrap faux greenery garlands around the pool noodle in a diagonal spiral pattern, securing every few inches with green floral wire. Dollar Tree sells faux ivy garlands and boxwood garlands in their floral section that work perfectly for this. As you wrap, fluff out the leaves so they cover the foam completely, and create that dense clipped topiary look. The spiral pattern gives the illusion of a carefully shaped living shrub that took years to train. Place the finished topiary on either side of your front door, at the entrance to a garden path, or as a centerpiece on a larger porch. No watering, no pruning, no waiting years for it to grow, and the whole thing costs about $10 versus the $300 to $400 a real spiral topiary of that size would cost at a nursery. Idea number 5, Pool Noodle Giant Decorative Flowers. While we are on the subject of pool noodles, this is a completely different application that has been flooding social media feeds this spring. These oversized whimsical flowers stand 3 to 4 feet tall on garden stakes and add a playful pop of color to flower beds, porch corners, and fence lines. You need 11 pool noodles per flower, which sounds like a lot until you do the math at $1.25 each, and realize you are spending about $14 to make something that looks like a high-end yard art piece. 5 noodles become the petals, cut and shaped into large teardrop forms and arranged in a circle. 5 more become a second layer of smaller petals offset from the first layer. The final noodle becomes the flower center, coiled into a tight spiral and painted a contrasting color. Everything gets attached to a central backing circle, cut from a foam board or plastic plate, also available at Dollar Tree. Mount the finished flower on a garden stake. Paint the whole thing with outdoor acrylic paint in whatever colors suit your garden palette, and seal it with a clear weatherproof spray. The scale of these flowers makes them impossible to ignore. They add height and whimsy to garden beds while your real perennials are still filling in. And they hold up surprisingly well through rain and sun if sealed properly. Idea number 6, Laser-cut metal solar lanterns. This one is less of a full DIY and more of a brilliant Dollar Tree find that deserves to be styled intentionally, but it belongs on this list because of how effectively it transforms an evening porch. Dollar Tree now carries laser-cut metal solar lanterns for $5 each, and the patterned metal casts intricate shadows when the light inside glows at night. Some have geometric cutouts, some have floral or mandala patterns, and the effect on a dark porch railing or hanging from a shepherd's hook is genuinely stunning. The styling is where you can make these look like a curated collection rather than a single off-the-shelf item. Hang 3 at varying heights along a porch beam using different lengths of chain or jute rope. Cluster 2 on either side of an outdoor seating area. Place one inside a larger clear glass hurricane vase, with some sand and shells for a coastal look. The key is treating them as design elements rather than just sticking one in the ground and calling it done. Compared to similar metal lanterns at home decor stores that run $25 to $40, the Dollar Tree version gives you the same ambient lighting effect for a fraction of the price, especially when you style them thoughtfully. Idea number 7. Whimsical metal birdhouses. Dollar Tree has introduced decorative metal birdhouses for $5 each, and they have been appearing all over garden decor discussions because of their cottage garden aesthetic. These are not the cheap-looking plastic birdhouses that fall apart after one season. They are pressed metal with painted finishes, some with little chimneys, some with perch details, some with weathered patina looks that read as far more expensive than they are. Mount one on a porch post using a metal bracket. Hang another from a shepherd's hook near a seating area, so you can watch birds come and go. Tuck a third into a cluster of tall perennials so it peeks out from the foliage like a hidden garden secret. The metal construction holds up to weather, and the colors fade gracefully into a vintage look over time rather than peeling or cracking. If birds actually nest in them, that is a bonus. But even as purely decorative accents, they add the kind of whimsical cottage character that usually costs far more to achieve. Idea number 8. Floral branch yard stakes. These have been selling out quickly at Dollar Tree locations this spring, and when you see them in a garden bed you understand why. They are tall metal stakes with sculptural floral toppers, some shaped like sunflowers, some like daisies, some like abstract blooms in bright cheerful colors. Each stake stands about 3 to 4 feet tall, which is the perfect height to rise above low-growing perennials and add vertical interest without blocking the plants behind them. The application that elevates these beyond just sticking them in the ground is grouping. A cluster of 5 or 7 stakes arranged in a staggered pattern through a flower bed creates the look of a living bouquet rising out of the garden. Mix the flower styles and colors so it feels collected and eclectic rather than matchy. For a porch container, 3 stakes in a large planter with trailing annuals spilling over the edges gives you instant height and drama without waiting for tall plants to grow. At $1.25 per stake, you can create an entire garden bed accent for less than $10. Idea number 9. Hanging tea light lanterns. This project is so simple that it almost does not qualify as a DIY, but the visual impact on a porch or patio is significant enough that it deserves a spot on this list. Dollar Tree sells small glass candle holders, the kind that hold tea lights, in various styles including clear, frosted, and colored glass. They also sell battery-operated tea lights that flicker realistically without any fire risk. Take thin wire or strong twine and create a hanging loop around the rim of each candle holder, securing it tightly so the holder hangs level. Hang these lanterns at different heights from porch beams, tree branches, or shepherd's hooks. When evening comes and you switch on the battery tea lights, the glass holders catch the flicker and cast a soft warm glow that makes any outdoor space feel instantly more intimate and inviting. The battery tea lights last for weeks on a single set of batteries, and because there is no real flame, you can hang them near plants or fabric without any safety concerns. A set of 10 hanging lanterns costs about $15 to make, and transforms an evening porch into something that feels curated and intentional. Idea number 10. Tiered plant stand from wire baskets. Dollar Tree sells wire mesh baskets in various sizes in their home organization section, the same ones that have become popular for underground root protection. This project uses them in a completely different way, above ground and on display. Choose 3 wire baskets in graduating sizes. Spray paint them in a color that complements your outdoor decor. Matte black, soft gold, sage green, whatever suits your space. Once the paint dries, stack them with small plastic planter trays between each level to create a stable tiered structure. The planter trays catch water and keep the baskets from slipping. Place potted plants on each level, small herbs on the top tier, slightly larger pots on the middle level, trailing plants on the bottom where they can spill over the edges. The wire construction keeps the whole stand visually light and airy, which is important on a porch or patio where heavy furniture can make the space feel cramped. A comparable tiered plant stand from a home decor store would cost $30 to $50. The Dollar Tree version costs about $7 in materials. Idea number 11. Painted decorative stepping stones. Flat river rocks and smooth stones are available at Dollar Tree in the craft and floral sections. And with some outdoor acrylic paint and a bit of patience you can create stepping stones that look hand-painted by an artist. Choose stones that are relatively flat on one surface and at least 6 inches across. Clean them thoroughly and let them dry completely. Paint floral designs, geometric patterns, inspiring words, or whimsical scenes using weather-resistant acrylic paint. Once the paint is fully dry, seal each stone with a clear outdoor spray sealer to protect your work from rain and sun. These stones can line a garden path, mark the edges of flower beds, or simply nestle among plants as surprising little discoveries for anyone walking through your garden. They also make wonderful personalized gifts for fellow gardeners. The materials cost a few dollars per stone, and each one is completely unique. Idea number 12. Decorative wind chimes. Dollar Tree now carries an assortment of wind chimes with pressed metal shapes and beads, and they also sell all the components you need to make your own custom versions. A basic wind chime from their garden section gives you the hanging ring and the clapper mechanism. From there you can customize by adding beads from the craft section, small shells from the floral aisle, or even old keys and found objects that have personal meaning. Thread everything onto sturdy fishing line or thin wire, attach to the ring, and hang from a porch beam or tree branch. The gentle sound of wind chimes adds another sensory layer to an outdoor space, and making your own means you control both the look and the tone. If you prefer a more visual wind chime that catches light rather than making sound, string together glass beads and small mirrors that sparkle when the sun hits them. Idea number 13, faux succulent wall art. This project is for porch walls, shed exteriors, or any vertical surface near your seating area that could use a living art accent without the maintenance of actual living plants. Dollar Tree sells small faux succulents in their floral section that look surprisingly realistic up close. They also sell shadow box frames in the craft section. Open the shadow box, remove the glass, and arrange a collection of faux succulents inside the frame against a background of preserved moss, also available in the floral section. Glue everything in place and add small decorative pebbles or sand for texture. Hang the finished piece on a porch wall where it will be protected from direct rain. The result looks like a miniature vertical garden preserved behind glass, and it requires zero watering, zero sunlight, and zero maintenance. You can make a series of 3 in different sizes and hang them as a gallery wall. Idea number 14, fairy garden miniature houses. Dollar Tree has introduced tiny decorative fairy houses for $1.50 each, and while these might seem like something meant for children's gardens, they have become genuinely popular among adult gardeners who want to add a touch of whimsy to container plantings and flower beds. Tuck a tiny house with a moss-covered roof into a large planter at the base of a houseplant or annual. Nestle one among the roots of a tree where it looks like a hidden woodland dwelling. Place several together with tiny pebble pathways between them to create a miniature village and a dedicated fairy garden container. The key to making these look sophisticated rather than childish is keeping the scale consistent and surrounding them with real plants that dwarf them naturally. A tiny house under a hosta leaf looks magical. A tiny house sitting on bare dirt looks like a forgotten toy. These little houses add an element of surprise and discovery to a garden space that visitors of all ages respond to. Idea number 15, mushroom solar lights. I have saved one of the most delightful new Dollar Tree finds for last. These are small mushroom-shaped solar lights that come in a pack of 10 for $6. Each one is a tiny glowing mushroom on a short stake, and when you scatter them through a garden bed or along a pathway, they create an effect that is hard to describe without smiling. During the day they are cute decorative accents with painted caps in red, white and soft yellow. At night they glow softly from within, lighting up the garden floor like something out of a storybook. The application here is less about function and more about pure charm. Line them along the edge of a porch flower bed, so the glow is visible from where you sit in the evening. Cluster them around the base of a large tree. Create a meandering path of tiny glowing mushrooms through a shaded garden corner. At around 60 cents per light you can afford to be generous with them, and the cumulative effect of dozens of tiny glowing mushrooms scattered through the garden at dusk is genuinely magical. 15 ideas. And what I hope you take away is not just a shopping list but a shift in how you see your outdoor space. Every one of these started as something ordinary on a shelf, and became something that makes a porch or patio feel more personal, more like somewhere you actually want to spend your evenings. That is what timeless gardening has always been about. Not just growing plants, but growing a space that feels like yours without spending money you do not have on things that do not feel like you. I want to hear which of these ideas you are actually going to try. Drop that in the comments along with the kind of outdoor space you are working with. Porch, patio, balcony, or just a small corner you are making beautiful. If this kind of practical creativity is what you want more of, subscribe and stick around. Until next time, enjoy your space, and enjoy making it yours.